Hi! So far you've already seen us create this brilliant Amazon affiliate website completely from an app start of absolutely nothing, and we've gotten this whole site together in just a matter of minutes. So you've already seen two of the ways that you can post content with WP Amazillionaire with our inbuilt functionality, and in this third video we're going to show you how to use the very popular and supremely awesome plugin WP Robot. Now if you haven't heard of WP Robot before, what it is what's called an auto posting plugin. So you set it up with some information about what kind of content you want it to grab from Amazon. You tell it how often you want to post, and it will just hum along automatically posting content for you. So as with everything, every type of content posting method has its pros and cons. So obviously the massive pro of WP Robot is that you can set it up and you can just leave it go and it'll keep your site active, but you also need to be aware that you're not going to get to moderate any of the content that it's bringing in for you. So use it, but consider how you work it into your strategy. If you don't have WP Robot, it's very, very affordable. It's around $30, I think, for the Amazon module alone, and you can use it with the basic free version of WP Robot. I first used this plugin years ago when before it even turned into a commercial plugin, when it was just a little free unit, and it's been a great plugin ever since then. So it's definitely worth a look. So I am going to show you how you can use it in with WP Amazillionaire. We've coded in some specific functions into this theme that will let you use the content that WP Robot gives you in a way that I have never seen any other theme use it. It really, really takes advantage of what the plugin can do and turns that content into what can sometimes, with some themes, end up looking a little scrappy. We take that content and we make it look beautiful. So, alright, now I've already installed WP Amazillionaire, and just like with, I've already installed WP Robot, and just like with Amazillionaire, the first thing you need to do is put your Amazon credentials in under the Amazon options section. This is under the options section of WP Robot. Now we have this all set up so there's very, very little configuration that you need to do inside WP Robot to make everything work. A lot of this is actually optional, but this is what we recommend doing. So skip products if. We recommend skipping a product if there's no description or no thumbnail, if you don't want empty content. Change the Amazon description length up to full length so you can get all the goodness. And that's all you've got to do for this section, so we'll just save that. And now the next thing you need to do is go to the templates section here. Now, this is the default Amazon module template. So all you need to do is copy and paste this code, which will provide you directly into this template box. Now all this does is this gives Amazillionaire the WP content, it gives Amazillionaire the WP Robot content in a format that it can work with. So that's all you have to do. Just copy, paste, and you're done. So I'll save that. And now we're ready to create a campaign. So we just put our keywords in here. So let's say smartphones again. And the only other thing we need to do is get rid of this default post template here, because you're not going to need any fancy post templates because Amazillionaire is handling everything for you. So all you need to put in there is just Amazon title and post content. That's it. So now I'm going to uncheck this just because I'm not auto posting for this particular demo, but you'll want to set this up to suit whatever you want to do with WP Robot for your site. I'm just going to save that one more time. Sorry, please enter at least one category. Store. You can also, of course, get full instructions on how to use WP Robot from WP Robot. Alright, so now we have our smartphone campaign, and I'm just going to post one post so you can have a look at how it sets up your content. Just fetching the post. One post has been created successfully, so we'll go to the front end and we'll see what our new latest post is. It's always a mystery with WP Robot. It's like Christmas presents. Alright, so there you go, that's our new product. So you can see it's formatted just like all the rest of the products. It's pulled in all of the content and it has pulled in the permalink. Again, it's consistent with the styling of the rest of the site. This is still an automatically updating price, just using the WP Robot functionality instead of Amazillionaire. And this is something that you don't see in any other use case with WP Robot. You've got the regular size image here, and you've got the full size image, and that's something that I haven't seen any other theme do. This is all formatted perfectly just how it is straight out of the box. And the other really cool thing that you can do is, you'll remember from the first video I showed you that we have 5 different post formats, post layouts for the product post. Now, normally when you create a post using WP Robot, you're stuck with the template that you have. So if that layout then doesn't work for this particular product, it's too bad. You're going to have to go in and manually change everything if you want to make an edit. But with WP Amazillionaire, I'm just going to go and edit that post that we just had created. You can change anything at any time. So if I've decided that I don't think that this layout works for this particular product, then I can change it. So I can go in here and I can say, well, you know what, I think this one's going to be better. And then update. And now you have a totally different layout. And that's something you can only do with WP Amazillionaire. So now you've got not 1, not 2, but 3 fantastic ways to post awesome content as an Amazon affiliate. Brilliant.